Picture for a moment if Jack's beanstalk wasn't just a pathway to a giant's treasure. What if instead it was a route to something even more magical? Now, what if I told you there's a real elastic beanstalk that could transform your online world? In the digital realm, Elastic Beanstalk is Amazon's magical touch. It's not a beanstalk stretching towards golden eggs, but it extends your web application's reach without a sweat. Many a time, deploying, scaling, and managing applications can feel as arduous as slaying a mythological giant. It's here where Elastic Beanstalk comes in, like a hero of our modern tech tale. Simply put, Elastic Beanstalk is an orchestration service which automates the process of deploying your apps. You could say it's that magical bean transforming developers' nightmares into swift, efficient processes. No matter what language your applications speak, Java, .NET, PHP, Node.js, Python, Ruby, Go, Elastic. Beanstalk is their staunch interpreter. But what if you're not a coder? No worries. Elastic Beanstalk isn't only for software developers. It's a game changer for business itself, making digital operations smoother, responsive, and vastly more efficient. Consider the social media apps we spend hours on, from tweeting a thought to posting that perfect sunset. What happens behind the scenes? These applications scale, adjust, and manage themselves to meet our demands. This is the kind of efficiency Elastic Beanstalk offers. How does it work, you ask? Well, imagine you're the developer. You write your application, zip it up, and hand it over to Elastic Beanstalk. The rest? It's on the house. Your code transforms into a user friendly website or application. No stress, no sweat on your part. With the AWS Management Console, a command line interface, or even Visual Studio extensions, Amazon Elastic Beanstalk is right at your fingertips. And wait, there's more. Elastic Beanstalk can keep an eagle's eye on your applications, balance loads, scale up and down based on requirements, all while you sip coffee and watch the world go by. Get ready for a game change. Amazon's Elastic Beanstalk promises to take your applications to new heights with the click of a button. Leave the nuts and bolts of deployment to the Beanstalk and level up your game in the digital arena. After all, who needs a giant's gold when you can have Elastic Beanstalk? Learn, explore, and grow with us. If you found this interesting, don't forget to hit subscribe and keep tuning in. So, until our next tech tale, happy coding.